In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files into Google Drive folders. Whether you're organizing your digital life or collaborating with teammates, knowing how to efficiently manage your files in Google Drive can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and get started. First, head on over to Google Drive by visiting the website. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar, which will bring you to the home page. Make sure you're logged in with your preferred Google account to access all your files and folders. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to locate the file you'd like to move. You can use the search bar at the top if you have many items, or scroll through your list until you spot the file. When you've found the file you want to move, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with several options. After right-clicking, look for the Organize option in the menu. It's fairly easy to spot. Clicking on Organize will open a new dialog box, presenting you with a few more choices. At this point, you'll want to click Move, which allows you to begin the process of relocating your file within your drive. Now you'll need to select the folder where you'd like the file to go. If you've already got a specific folder in mind, great. Simply navigate through your existing folders to find it. If you're having trouble locating the right folder, remember that you can always create a new one by clicking on the New Folder button, which is conveniently located at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. This is an excellent way to keep your files neatly organized. Once you've selected or created the ideal folder, it's time to finalize the move. Click on the Move button to complete the process. This will ensure that your file is transitioned to the selected folder, neatly tucked away in its new home. And there you go, your file has been successfully moved. Remember, organizing your Google Drive can simplify your workflow and enhance your productivity. By using these steps to efficiently manage your files, you will be on top of your digital game in no time. Feel free to repeat this process with other files to maintain an orderly and easily navigable drive. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on moving files into Google Drive folders. I hope this video helps you stay organized and enhances your experience with Google Drive. If you have any questions or need additional tips, don't hesitate to reach out, keep practicing, and soon moving files around will be second nature. Take care and see you next time.